Kidikhot Employees Union janga company dawai Dashin ka Sun Pharma ka Santarik Nailar kala pelong ye ka jingi ki persya ki bor penyat jongka pelau ka hotel Polo Tawas hadian pakate company kamshim na CEO Satya ya ka tulap jeng kinong tray mentala Henry Benai habai kren patkilat patai khobor chairman kate ka union Parak Chaudhry ulai thu pakate ka company kala be tray ru ye ki babon ngot kinong tray ki blas jan karta song thai ulong ru pakate ka company ka juwan yelam ye ki doktor na keleng ki we pat ki jela kari India shani shanong ba shilong hakaba pelong ki program per tangkom ke jing pen iklo pat barok ke jing lut jing sap labai da kate company ka ba omla pat ban siu ya katulap kinong tre jongka.
Today we are holding an agitation program with Sun Pharmaceuticals, the India's #1 pharmaceuticals company. Recently, Sun Pharma has purchased Ranbaxy, the big giant company of India. After purchasing Ranbaxy, a big giant company, which was a very peaceful and very genuine company in India. After purchasing immediately Ranbaxy, Sun Pharma became the #1 pharmaceuticals company of our family. And the owner of Sun Pharma is Mr. Dilip Sangvi, the richest man in India. He doesn't believe in trade union activity. He doesn't like people should do trade unions. So what happened? In Ranbaxy, we were a very unionized company. Our management is to recognize our union. But after he has acquired our company, he has thrown out all the senior colleagues of our company who were about to retire after 2 years, 3 years. They have transferred one colleague of Guwahati to Kerala guy to colleague to Kashmir. So that way 58 they have transferred all our trade union leaders. After that they have started blocking the salary of the employees, not less than 300 employees of our company, our Ranbaxy company are not getting salary. Their families are running in starvation. And management, even we have filed a case in court, Mumbai court, we have the verdict. Court has clearly instructed to repay back all the pending salary within a short while. Either they are bothered about the labor law of the country. On that spot they are bringing, now we have an information, they are bringing around 200 doctors from West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar for just entertainment in Shillong for the summer break. They are bringing doctors and their family. Polo Tower is a place where these doctors will be putting up with their families. They will have flourished lunch, dinner, parties. So what happened, now we are protesting that you are not bothered to pay our people and you are sponsoring unnecessarily, which is not also permissible by Medical Council of India. Medical Council of India has strictly given instruction now to all doctors not to take any entertainment, any bribe for companies, not to take this kind of entertainment. Otherwise their license might have been seized. So companies not even bothered about MCI. So why they will pay for what are we for?